Are you ready to solve scholarship paper standard 5th?
Yes, we are ready.
Today we will solve scholarship paper English unit opposite of. Question for practice. We will see what kind of questions come on opposite words. चलो बच्चों, अंग्रेज़ी के पेपर में अल्फाज ज़िद्दे किस तरह के सवालात आते हैं यह हमें आज देखना है. First question. Select the correct pair of opposite words. Soft heart, greedy clever, clean dirty, weak heart. And right answer, clean dirty. Second question. Bold. Options: courageous, timid, brave, strong. And right answer, timid. Which prefix will you use before the word possible to get its opposite word? Option: un, il, im, mis. And right answer, I am. It means possible, impossible. Next question. Choose the correct picture for up, down. And right picture, second number. Next question. Look at the picture. Empty and question mark. Options: full, heavy, low and half. Right answer, full. Next question. Choose the correct opposite word for the underline. I forgot my homework. Options: heard, remembered, out, past. Correct answer, remembered. Next question. Choose in the correct word for blank. Tall, short, big, fill in the blanks. Options: small, gain, up, dig. Correct answer, small.